So today is a big day for Gale. We are in town. Walk on. So far, he couldn't be being better. He is as responsive and pleasant as he is at home. And we are where we can just drive around in the rodeo arena grounds for a little while. Let him get used to the giant trucks and the sounds and all that stuff. He's seen, you know, most of the time, the only time he sees a vehicle, it's one, not multiples. So this is a big deal for him. So we'll drive around on the dirt a little bit before we go to where there is pavement. He says, look, another barrel that blew away. I set up the barrels for Will James to start learning them, and we have barrels all over the yard. And cones for our poles as well. That's a boy. Nope, nope. The other day he had a big spook. That was okay. First he encountered big bales out in the field where there hadn't been any before. What were those strange things doing there? And then there was a llama walking through that field toward us. That was a scary thing. And he handled all of those. I let him just stand and look, and he stood and looked, and everything was fine. Good boy. Yeah, it looked like a hole, didn't it? Right up until a big rabbit blew out right out from under him. And we have horses over here that are really frightened by us driving around. So we're going to give them a little distance and time to get used to us before we get close to them. Some are interested, some are scared. Let's settle down, come down. We have high wind today. That doesn't help anything. That's a boy. Nope, let's walk. Now what? What do you see? Yep, we can go through that hole. It's okay. Walk on. Hello? Good boy. Yeah, trees. Oh my gosh, you're not used to trees, and you're not used to going between buildings. It's okay. It's okay. That's a boy. Walk on. Yeah, what's more scary, the trees or the buildings? I guess the building is more scary than the trees. That's okay. First time to town, this is a big deal for this boy. Good boy. What a good boy. Nope, let's walk. Oh boy, there's a big something coming down the road, because there's a car with a height pole on it. So I'm going to say we have something huge coming. Maybe we'll just stay in here on the rodeo arena grounds until whenever it's here gets here. anything. Should we trot? Gale, working trot. What we're doing here is establishing a reminder of who's boss, who's going to listen. Wow, they have a puddle in here. And the arena gates are open, so we may go in there. And there are poles set up. You saw that barrel last time, silly. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. And he actually slowed down a little bit to pass us. That was nice. And this whole group of horses has not taken their eyes off of us yet. Now they're interested instead of afraid. And that's good. It's hay, you goof. Boy, look at you. You're all right. You're all right. Now we're going to do another scary thing. We're going to go back the other direction. And that gate is almost wide enough for us to get through. Yeah, that's a dumpster. You're a funny boy. Let's trot. Ooh. Gate on the north end is open, or the east end is open too, and it's blown open, so. Look at you. What a good boy. Making those horses trot around and take a look.